Hello and welcome to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. Are you an international nurse planning to work in Jamaica? Maybe you're a nurse from Nigeria, India, Ghana, Kenya, the Philippines, Qatar, or another country, and you're wondering, how do I register as a nurse in Jamaica? In this video, I'll take you through the main steps, from preparing your documents and verifying your nursing license to registration, and what happens before you can legally begin working. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your registration category. The first step is to understand the type of registration you need. Internationally trained nurses should check the requirements published by the Nursing Council of Jamaica for nurses trained abroad. The council has registration information for overseas trained applicants, including the general and mental nurse registers. Before submitting anything, always check the latest requirements directly with the Nursing Council because procedures and fees can change. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Start gathering your documents early. Depending on your situation, you may need your nursing certificate, diploma, or degree, academic transcript, current nursing license, verification of your professional registration, detailed CV, certified personal documents, passport photographs, professional references, other documents requested by the Nursing Council. Make sure your documents are complete and properly certified where required. Step 3. Request your official transcript. Your nursing school plays an important role in your application. The Nursing Council requires an official transcript of your nursing training. For overseas trained applicants, the transcript may need to be sent directly from your training institution to the Nursing Council. So contact your nursing school early. Do not wait until the last minute because transcript processing can sometimes take time. Step 4. Verify your nursing license. Another important step is verification of your nursing registration. The nursing authority or licensing body in the country where you trained may need to send verification of your license directly to the Nursing Council of Jamaica. For example, contact the nursing regulator in your country and ask about their process for sending license verification internationally. Without proper verification, your application may not be processed. Step 5. Arrange your professional references. You may also need professional references. The current Nursing Council requirements include professional references from appropriate nursing or midwifery supervisors. Make sure your referees know about your application and can provide an up-to-date professional reference. Step 6. Submit your application. Submit a complete application. Before submitting, check that you have application letter, detailed CV, certified birth certificate, marriage certificate, if applicable, certified current nursing license, certified nursing qualification, passport-sized photographs, official transcript, license verification, 2 professional references, TRN, required processing fee. Pay the processing fee. According to the NCJ's April 2026 Permanent Registration Checklist, the processing fee per license is $100 or Jamaican equivalent for CARICOM/RENR applicants, $150 or Jamaican equivalent for non-CARICOM applicants. The Council's documents also show a revised fee structure effective in 2026, so always confirm the exact fee with the NCJ before paying, especially because fees and service categories can change. The NCJ warns that incomplete applications or documents that do not meet its requirements will not be processed. Once your documents are ready, follow the Nursing Council's instructions for submitting your application. Check carefully that you have included all required documents and paid only the authorized processing fees. Incomplete applications can cause delays. And remember, requirements and fees may change, so always confirm the latest information directly with the Nursing Council before making any payment. Step 7. Wait for approval. After your application is assessed, the Nursing Council will guide you through the next stage. If your application is approved, follow the Council's instructions regarding registration and licensing. Do not assume that submitting your documents means you are immediately authorized to practice. Wait for official confirmation. Step 8. Find a job and complete the work authorization process. This is very important. Nursing registration is not the same as permission to work in Jamaica. After registration, international nurses may still need to secure employment and complete the appropriate work permit or immigration process. Depending on your nationality and immigration status, different rules may apply. Always check the current requirements with your employer and the relevant Jamaican government authorities. Final advice. So, let's quickly recap. Step 1. Check your registration category. Step 2. Prepare your documents. Step 3. Request your official transcript. Step 4. Arrange nursing license verification. Step 5. Get your professional references. Step 6. Submit your application. Step 7. Wait for official approval and complete registration. Step 8. Secure a job and complete the required work authorization process. My advice is simple. Start early. Keep copies of every document. Follow official instructions. And never pay an agent who promises you a guaranteed nursing registration or job. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global. And tell me in the comments, which country are you applying from, and are you a registered nurse, midwife, or mental health nurse? Your questions may inspire our next video in the Jamaica Nursing series. May God guide your career journey and open the right doors of opportunity for you. Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect.